Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the fourth subdivision of first question of exercise 8.2 chapter 8 trigonometry. Question goes, evaluate the following: sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 divided by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. By substituting the values, sin 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, minus cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Divided by secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. I'm solving the problem taking 2 root 3 as a common denominator. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. The whole divided by taking 2 root 3 as a common denominator. 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Cancelling out the denominators. Now we have 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. We have to make the denominator a rational number. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. We get 3 root 3 minus 4 the whole square divided by 3 root 3 the whole square minus 4 the whole square. According to the equation, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 3 root 3 the whole square plus 4 the whole square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4. It is a minus b the whole square. So the equation changes to a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by a square minus b square. 3 root 3 the whole square is equal to 27 minus 4 square is 16. 27 plus 16 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11, which in turn gives 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. This is the answer. Thank you.